Alright, this organic chemistry video is going to be talking about functional groups, just some very basic ones. Alkanes are hydrocarbons that only contain single bonds. An alkene is a hydrocarbon with double bonds, and an alkyne is a hydrocarbon with triple bonds. A hydrocarbon is simply a structure that only has hydrogens and carbons. These three hydrocarbons differ by their suffix. Aromatics are ring structures with alternating double bonds. Alcohols are OH groups. They can be primary, secondary, or tertiary depending on where the alcohol is. A phenol is an aromatic group attached to an alcohol. An alkyl halide is a hydrocarbon group with a halogen or a halide attached, like bromine or chlorine. An ether is a sandwiched oxygen, is how I like to think about it, and an ester is like an ether's big sister, with a double-bound oxygen next to it. Amines only contain nitrogen. They can also be primary, secondary, or tertiary, depending on how many groups are attached to the nitrogen. Amide is like a nitrogen and a double-bound O. It's like an amine's big brother. Aldehyde is a carbonyl-carbon or a double-bound O with a hydrogen off the end, hence hyde in aldehyde. Ketone has a carbonyl with no hydrogens off the end, just carbons. Carboxylic acids have an OH and a carbonyl. It can be written a few different ways. Acyl chlorides have carbonyl and a chlorine by each other. And a nitrile is C triple bound to an N. So we're going to practice some of these functional groups and identifying them in a structure. So it may be good to pause your video when you see this structure coming up and try and find the functional groups without me telling you what the answers are. Okay, so we have a sandwich oxygen. It must be an ether. We have just an N, it's an amine. This would be a primary amine. We have C and N, so nitrile. We have a double bond, so it will be an alkene. It's an amine's big brother, amide. An carbonyl with only carbon, so ketone. An OH group would be alcohol. This time is secondary alcohol. We have our ester and a phenol. Triple bonds are alkyne. We have an OH and a double O, so carboxylic acid. We have OH, which is an alcohol, and it's in the secondary position. Carbonyl with the hydrogens, an aldehyde. And our aromatic ring. Perfect. So, good luck as you study. I hope this video was helpful. If you need to watch it again, that's totally fine. It was kind of fast. Subscribe for more chemistry videos. Just keep on practicing. You'll master functional groups in no time. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see and what other topics you'd like. Write it in the comments.